What's going on, guys? It's Sean with Bespoke Auto Pros, and today we're going to be transforming this Porsche 911 with our XPEL Stealth. Our clients love XPEL Stealth as it helps transform the vehicle while providing rock chip and damage protection. Today, follow along as we make this transformation. All right, so Justin's got the car prepped and washed for us. Now we're gonna start with some basic disassembly. We like to remove stuff like the emblems, tow hook covers, pulling deflectors or reflectors. Sometimes we'll remove mirrors, but on this certain car, we're actually gonna berth the film. Small little stuff, and we're just gonna move forward with our final detail before we actually start PPF installation. So a common question on why we remove stuff like badges, sensors, markers, and stuff of that nature is because once you pull this off, you're gonna see there's tons of dirt behind here. This dirt will end up in the film, and we're trying to avoid that. So removing stuff like this is very simple and quick, and then we can get it properly cleaned for the installation. So during our detailed cleaning, we're going to take tools and get into the crevices and cracks like this. Client opted to not have the tail lights or headlights removed. So we're taking a set with precaution to try to make sure we don't get any call-up debris that comes off underneath it. As you can see here, all that kind of stuff will end up in the install. So like we were saying, client opted to not have a lot of stuff removed on the car. These Porsche 911 mirrors are notorious for when you remove them, they can throw a lot of error codes. So we're going to take a process of actually just berthing over the mirror with the films. Go on and make sure you do a very thorough cleaning there. We're going to use the same method as before. You throw hot tool in there and get it to kind of bury up. So we got the vehicle detailed, clean. All the cracks and crevices are nice and clean. Now we're going to go ahead and clay bar the vehicle. We're using a synthetic clay like this. That's going to help to remove any kind of imperfections, any kind of bug guts, or anything that's actually stuck to the paint before we actually put the film on. Not much on there, but under film, you can see something there. Yeah, sometimes on a clay bar, I like to think of a DJ. So as I was explaining with the clay bar process, stuff like this sometimes doesn't come off in a regular wash. So when we take the clay bar to it, you'll see that it's going to nicely come off of the vehicle safely. So we're over here at the plotter and using our DAP software. This is where we actually go in and design and edit all of our patterns. We're using more of a bulk hybrid situation here since it is a stealth conversion. In here you can see we had the fenders completely looking crazy because we blew them out, customized it to where the edges will be wrapped, you know, customize the hood, fenders. So basically when you see a blue line like that is where we edited the pattern and made it longer, making it easier for us to apply and allowing for more coverage. So for an example here, we're going to go in and edit this door where we're going to be berthing the mirror later, and we're going to shrink the hole a little bit, make it to where it's going to be smaller than the original hole and allow us to actually pull the film around that mirror and then it to re-shrink back into its normal form. So this program is really cool. It's offered through XPEL and allows us to virtually customize the pattern in any way we would like to. After we customize the pattern, we then plot it and it'll come out on the machine. You've seen us do the designing, you've seen us do the plotting, you've seen us do the weeding. Now we have all the film here nicely labeled and ready to install in the vehicle. One of the first parts about the installation process is we plotted the film, now we have it on our peel board. We're going to take the film from the peel board and transfer it to the vehicle. I get the last spray, bro. So during this process, we're using our tack film to sit the film down where we want it. We're wrapping our edge here, get the film comfortable. We're just gonna squeegee out our tack solution. Ta-da! So the difference between a regular install and a great install is a lot of the time it's wrapping the edges. Now this is a must on any kind of stealth conversion, but it's something we carry through the facility on any install. So these 911 fenders are notoriously hard. A lot of people struggle with them. You can see during the plotting and weeding or the designing process that we blew out the pattern, shrunk the headlight hole to try to get this pattern as good as we can without having to remove the headlight. So in order to assist that, we're going to use some gel and a little bit of mixture of slip solution. Putting some hot water on here to relieve the film before we make this stretch. Well, let's go. right, so we're doing this piece pretty custom. We're gonna go ahead and do what's called the birthing technique on the mirror. It includes putting some soap on here, making sure we're deleting as much traction as we can, because we're going to actually stretch the film and pull it over the mirror. Jeff's got the film over there ready. What's that, Chris? Okay, we got all the film installed. Everything looks great, but we're gonna go through and do the most important, which is the final step, which will be post-heating all the edges. Everything looks great, but we wanna make sure these edges are gonna stay down. So we're gonna turn on our heat gun, get it really nice and warm, and very diligently go around every edge of this PPF and make sure that all these edges are locked down and are gonna stay down to help maintain that 10-year warranty. During this process, we're also looking for any kind of lifted edges, any kind of bubbles, any kind of trimming that may need to be done. This is part of the final QC process. So it's a very time-consuming process, and when done correctly, it really ensures that our product is going to give that perfect, natural-looking finish. Okay, so we gave you a little taste of behind the scenes on transforming this Porsche 911 in our XPEL Stealth. Now this vehicle has changed the complete appearance, it's protected for years to come, maintaining that great 10-year warranty. We think it turned out great. Let us know what y'all think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.